Want to keep your aquarium crystal clear and your fish happy without all the guesswork? Stick around, because today I'm breaking down the exact checklist and maintenance schedule every tank owner needs, backed by real aquarium science. Make sure to hit subscribe to Fred's No Frills videos, where I keep it simple, smart, and straight to the point. Poor maintenance is one of the top reasons fish get sick or die early. But the truth is, fish tank care isn't hard. You just need the right routine. Today I'll go over a simple checklist system used by successful aquarists and even professionals. 3-part maintenance schedule: daily tasks, weekly bi-weekly tasks, monthly seasonal tasks. Let's start with what you should do every day, and don't worry, this part only takes 2-3 minutes. Daily checklist. Visual fish check. Are the fish active? Any visible spots, frayed fins or labored breathing, sudden hiding or aggression? Check water temperature. Use a digital or stick-on thermometer. Freshwater, 72-78 degrees Fahrenheit, 22-25 degrees Celsius. Tropical marine, 75-82 degrees Fahrenheit, 24-28 degrees Celsius. Feed carefully. Feed once or twice daily, only as much as they can eat in 2-3 minutes. Uneaten food =, waste buildup =, algae and ammonia spikes. Now here's where the real maintenance magic happens. Once or twice a week, depending on your tank's bioload. Weekly or bi-weekly checklist. Partial water change, 15-30%. Use a gravel vacuum to remove debris from substrate. Always dechlorinate tap water with a conditioner, like Seachem Prime. Match the temperature of new water. Test water parameters, using liquid test kits like API Master Kit. Ammonia, 0 ppm. Nitrite, 0 ppm. Nitrate, less than 40 ppm pH. Depends on species. Usually 6.5-7.5 for freshwater clean glass and remove algae. Use magnetic or blade scrapers. Careful with acrylic tanks. Check filter flow. Ensure it's not clogged or slowed. These tasks don't need to be done often, but they're key for long-term success. Monthly, seasonal checklist rinse. Filter media, in tank water only. Never use tap water. It kills beneficial bacteria. Sponge, floss or ceramic rings should be gently rinsed every 3-4 weeks. Deep clean decorations, optional, if visibly dirty or covered in algae. Soak in dechlorinated water. Trim live plants and reposition hardscape. Inspect equipment, heaters, lights, air pumps. Check for corrosion or loose fittings. Record your observations. Keep a logbook or app like Aquarimate to track changes, test results, and livestock behavior. With this checklist and schedule, you're not just cleaning, you're preventing problems before they start. Your fish stay healthy, water stays clear, and you enjoy the hobby stress-free. Want more no-nonsense fish tank guides? Tap that like button, subscribe to Fred's No Frills videos, and drop a comment with your favorite maintenance tip.